to all of you, my dear viewers, friends, brothers, and sisters. How are you all? You are watching Sri Hari Coaching Center, and I am your English teacher, Shivam sir. How are you all? My dear friends, please tell me in comment section how is your English speaking journey going. Are you writing one page daily? Are you reading a book? If you are doing these things, my dear brothers and sisters, regular basis, that you are increasing from your within, you are improving. Actually, if you are not seeing any quick results, so my dear brothers and sisters, don't get desperately, don't get disappointed. You will get fluency, you will get attraction, you will get everything which is important to be an English speaker. So I welcome all of you from the bottom of my heart. Actually, my dear friends, now I have started a series of one word substitution, and I have already uploaded one video of this series. If you haven't watched those videos, actually there are many videos about part of speech, and one video is all about one word substitution. So after watching this video, please go to the playlist and watch those videos and improve your English skills. And how can we include these things at a very important manner to increase our English speed, to increase our English speaking, to make our English impressive, fluency, and attractive. So without wasting any kind of time, let's get started this video. So in this video, I am going to talk about more one words substitution. My first word is believable or credible. What is believable? That is, believable is called believable, or that can be believed, that can be believed is called believable or credible. Just opposite of this, unbelievable or incredible. Unbelievable or incredible, it is that is difficult to believe or that cannot be believed, is called unbelievable or incredible. That's all. Move on to the next, and my next word is celibacy. What is celibacy, my dear friends? Celibacy is a state of being unmarried. There are many people who are unmarried, so we can say them that they are in a state of celibacy. My next word is a cartoonist or a caricaturist. What is cartoonist or a caricaturist? What is cartoonist or a caricaturist? A person who makes funny cartoons, funny pictures. That person is called caricaturist or a cartoonist. Move on to the next word, and my next word is epidemic or pandemic. These two words are like synonyms, okay my dear friends, but epidemic is a word which shows that a disease spreads over a area, but this is a small type of area. But when we say that this is a pandemic, so pandemic shows that this disease spreads all over the world. So this is the simple difference between the epidemic and the pandemic. Let's move on to the next word. Next word is export. Actually, these two words, import and export. So what is export, my dear friends? Export is when we send some articles from our country to another country. This thing is called export. And import, when we purchased or when we bring few things from another country in our country, this is called import. And what is edible or eatable? Yes, my next word is edible or eatable. This is that we can say that few things are able to eat or not able to eat. This is called edible or edible. Okay, we can say it is our pronunciation. This is not the matter of worried. You can say eatable or you can say edible. My next word is egoist. What is egoist, my dear friends? A person who is always in a selfish mode and thinks always about himself, that person is called egoist. And my next word is eligible. What is eligible, my dear friends? Eligible is a person who is very talented and has the ability to do any work. So I will say that that person is able to choose. So that person which is fit to be chosen, this type of person is called eligible. Okay, my dear brothers and sisters, let's move on to the next word. Dear friends, my next word is immigrant. Actually, there are two type of immigrant. First is EMMIGRANT. Actually, this is not double M. This is single M. Sorry for this is my mistake. It's okay. Love to do mistake. This was my one video. Please watch it. So EMIGRANT. This is one type of immigrant, and second is IMMIGRANT. So what is the difference between these two type of immigrant? Actually, my dear friends, if you are talking about EMIGRANT, immigrant, so this type of immigrant means when a person leaves our country and go in another country in order to settle there permanent. This is immigrant, EMIGRANT. And if I talk about IMMIGRANT, so it is when a person who belongs to another country and comes in our country and in order to settle permanently. So this type of person is called immigrant, but IMMIGRANT. My next word is, my dear friends, extempore. Extempore. What is extempore? Extempore means to spoke without previous preparation. Actually, there are many person. Actually, I also prepare himself to spoke. But my dear friends, sometimes we need not any time to preparation, so that type of presentation is called extempore. My next word is epitaph. What is epitaph? There are few words, my dear friends, which inscribed on the grave. That type of word is called epitaph. And my next word is fatalist. My dear friends, what is fatalist? A person who believe on fate or luck, on fortune or destiny. That type of person is called fatalist. So my dear friends, my next word is fatal. What is fatal, my dear friends? Fatal. What is fatal? Fatal is a thing which is very dangerous, deadly things, that a thing which may cause your death. That thing is called deadly or fatal. My next word is, my dear friends, glutton. What is glutton? There are many type of person in the world, and a person who is fond of eating, not fond of eating, actually who eats too much. Yes, too much. This type of person is called glutton. And my next word is honorary. Honorary is a type of work for which no salary is paid, is called honorary. And my dear friends, my next word is to kill other person. You know very well, to kill other person, or to destroy someone life. This is called homicide or murder. And my dear friends, my last word of the video is eligible. What is eligible, my dear friend? That cannot be read, and that is that the thing which is very hard to read. I mean to say, like the inscribed of the Vedic scriptures, or the writings of the Sindhu Ghati Sabhyata, or we can say Indus Valley civilization. Yes, my dear friends, these are few words. Actually, this is my today's video, and that is all about one word substitution. So if you liked and enjoyed this video, my dear brothers and sisters, so please right now like this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel Sri Hari Coaching Center, then subscribe my channel. And if you think that this video is very beneficial for the English starters, English beginners, and for the students, so please share this video in your social media group. And I want to say on the last note the slogan of our channel, and the slogan is, the more you practice the better you feel, the more you practice the better you will be one day. On this note I want to say thank you, bye bye. Live English, like English and feel English. All the best and keep fighting with English. Thank you.